guys, today we are going to replace the back glass of the camera of the Mi Note 10 Pro. The customer smashed the back camera glass or lens, whatever it calls, and he bring the device so we can replace this glass for him. I'm going to heat the glass. Don't put too much glass to the cameras, otherwise you can damage these cameras on there. So you can go with the 100 Celsius degree. We need just a few heat so we can make the adhesive is very soft so we can remove the glass. I advise you to wear something to your hands, gloves to protect your hands and also to protect your eyes. I suggest to wear goggles. This is very important for you. The glass can go through your eyes if you don't have any goggles. This is very serious. The glass is very tiny and can reach anything and make something dangerous. I'm wearing goggles, but I don't have or I didn't wear gloves to my hands. I'm used to the glass, that's why I didn't wear something to my hands. I don't know, but I have something special dealing with the glass with my hands, just with my hands, not my eyes. Keep removing the glass. You can use the tweezer to remove the glass. Be very patient not to damage the cameras during this operation. We don't need to go to the cameras and touch the cameras and make something damage to them. As we all know, the cameras is very sensitive to the heat, to the smash, to the scratch, so this is important to be very careful. You can heat from time to time so we can make the adhesive is very soft so we can remove all the glass one piece. In this model we don't have to remove the back glass in order to put the camera glass. Some devices we need to remove the back glass in order to put that, but in this device, the Note 10 Pro, Mi or Xiaomi Note 10 Pro, we don't have to remove the back glass, so we can just remove this protective glass. And another tip I need to add it, when your protective glass get damaged, I advise you to replace it soon, because if you stay for a few months, the camera could be damaged during that because it won't be protected anymore. So it could be damaged from any scratch, any dust, or anything. Now, after we removed all the glass, we still have adhesive. We need to take it out. And if we still have any tiny piece of the glass, we need also to remove it, because any tiny piece of glass is left there. It could broke the new replacement glass that we will put it. So this is very important to clean everything before we are putting the new back glass to the cameras or the protective glass. I'm going also to use the alcohol to clean all over the frame of the cameras, and then I'm going to clean the lenses of the real cameras. Make sure everything is cleaned and ready to put the new replacement glass. This is very important. We can go back after we put the new glass. You can see I'm very sensitive to make the glasses very clean, because after this operation we can go back and then clean the cameras, so we need to do that now. The back camera glass comes with adhesive, so we can just put it on position. Don't touch it. Now you are ready to put the replacement on position. Make sure you put it on the position. I missed it. I didn't put it on the position, so I'm going to remove it. I don't know how this happens, but I'm going to be very careful to remove it and then put it back again. After that, we are all set. The job has been done. If you have any question, you just write it down in the comments below. If you like this content, don't forget to support the channel by like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.